Good morning. Hey, welcome to my channel again. My name is Eric P and I'll be doing a quick bike check on this Trek Top Fuel. So again, it's a friend's bike. Not too sure about the specs, but this is the first time as well, and so let's go through this together, shall we? I think this is the latest greatest of the Trek Top Fuel. Check out the color. It is not very sunny here today in Singapore. A bit cloudy if you ask me. So I think the paint is not really popping out, but check it out. Everything is absolutely mint. XX1s, full Botrenges, XTs. That is the new Botrenger wheel set, I think, with the carbon wheels. 30 Fox Performance. This one looks like a full Trek issue bike. Everything is all Botrenger. Nice AXXX bling over there, mated with a gold chain and gold cassette. Beautiful. Everything is absolutely mint. Sorry about today, boys, guys, girls. I'm not really prepared for the bike check because I didn't expect to see such a beautiful bike here today. I'm just ogling it. I'm just trying to take my sweet time to enjoy every side of it. Unique, rare, and utterly expensive here in Singapore. SRAM grip shifts. That's for the rear suspension, if I'm not mistaken, or just the rear change of shifts and whatnot. Really unique. One of the cleanest cockpits around. One of the cleanest cockpits around. You can't see a cockpit cleaner than that. Beautiful piece of machinery over here. It looks fast even standing still. Alright guys, so anyways, it's a very quick bike check. I honestly am dumbfounded on this one. I cannot fathom to say how beautiful this thing is in real life. I will let you see the paint job all over again. And it's a full carbon bike. Literally full carbon bike. And my goodness, this will cost you about 2 kidneys and a liver here in Singapore because it's from Trek. It's not the more affordable sellers here in Singapore. But check out this beauty, it's really absolutely mint. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Sorry to be really hasty on this one. I hope you find something which you cannot find online, and I wish you stay safe, practice social distancing, and until next video. Ta-da!